Our mission is to create new age technology leaders who are confident, who are compassionate, who understand society, who understand human values, who care for the world.
Dr. Joelyn de Lima is visiting Plaksha University, Mohali for conducting a workshop exclusively for our teaching fraternity on supporting students for giving constructive feedback as well as coaching and developing peer feedback skills.
The larger thing is about teaching transversal skills themselves, of which these two are examples, wherein thinking of how do I scaffold transversal skills into my education. When it comes to disciplinary skills, we always scaffold it. We never give a student a high-powered laser the day they come. We tell them how do you use it with lower-powered lasers, how it works, and we build it up. But when it comes to group work, we just toss them in a group and tell them, figure it out. Just like disciplinary skills are scaffolded, transversal skills need to be scaffolded and explicitly taught into the curriculum.
I think the things that were shared and the activity that we did, it was like very much applicable even in our daily life, even while working with our colleagues, even while in a classroom setting.
To actually learn, there are different elements like knowing about the concepts and then like having experience of those skills and eventually also learning from your experience.
Here, I learned that feedback is a kind of scientific research for itself.
It's not just about disseminating knowledge, but it's also about learning from our peers and experimenting with our peers if that dissemination is actually working or not.
It opens up your mind. I have never thought that some emotions are involved in giving a feedback. Though there are, but I never paid attention to it.
I would say collaborative skills because most engineers work on interdisciplinary solutions and the projects. So that is why for that they need to have some transversal skills which include maybe perspective taking and decision skills.
So the 3T Play project and my dearest collaborator Ciara and myself, we have put out a book called Teaching Transversal Skills for Engineering Students. So please feel free to download it. It's open access. Use it, make your own. Take the pieces that work for you, and hopefully it helps.